YouTube Shorts are the quickest way to grow a YouTube channel, and in this video, you'll learn how to make them quickly with one free AI tool. You won't need ChatGPT to write the script or CapCut to make the captions because this tool will also create the video and the voiceover. In this video, I'll demonstrate it using two niches, but it can be used with a lot of other niches as well. So let's start with the research phase. This channel is in the animal niche, and they create videos on amazing information about various animals or birds. They have received over 43 million views in the last 30 days, and they have 163K subscribers. It appears that they began uploading a lot of shorts in April of this year. Some of their videos gained popular due to the fact that TikTok and YouTube are currently fighting in the short-form content market, but because this channel is in Hindi and the CPM for short video can be as cheap as 2 cents. The software we'll be using to make these videos is called Fliki, and it has a feature called Idea to Video. It's free to use, and I'll provide the sign-up link below in description. You can get started by starting a new project, giving it a name you like, and selecting from more than 70 languages on this drop-down menu. Then leave it on the video option and click on Create. You need to first set it to match a short style by making some adjustments on this drop-down. I will select the portrait size, which is the standard for YouTube Shorts. Then leave these boxes confirmed and select where to place subtitles, which I prefer to be at the center. The two fonts I like here are Josephine Sans and Lixend, so I will choose one of them and set the subtitles display to Word, which will show. To begin creating the shorts, click on Convert in the top right corner and choose Idea to Video. Then, type your subject and a brief description in the boxes below. For example, I did so simply suggesting that it write about strange animal facts, particularly huge cat facts. As you can see, it has created the short by writing the script and locating the images that correspond to the scenes. However, you may want to go one step further and add more scenes, in which case I'll delete the first block, which is the file name, and remove the description from the title. If you look at this intro, you'll notice that this is useful for long videos and not for shorts, so I'll do that. I'll delete it as well and do the same for the outro, after which I'd like to divide this block into 3 by clicking on the plus icon twice and pasting the sentences into the blocks, which will add more scenes to our short. I'll do the same for the other 2 blocks, after which I'll go to the blocks without video and click on Auto Pick Video on the canvas. With this feature, the Fliki AI will select a clip that it believes matches the text in the block, so I'll do the same for the other blocks as well. But if the AI doesn't have enough context, it might choose a random clip. So you can either add a keyword to the text or just click on the thumbnail and search for the video clip you want at the top. You'll see a lot of options to choose from. I'll then either use the auto pick feature or find it in the stock library. The next step is the voiceover, which you can add by clicking on Sarah, choose a voice. You can play the scenes if you want to see how it appears, but I'm going to export it at the top. It might take a few minutes to complete, but the beauty is that you can close it and you'll be notified by email when it's finished. There are no free video clips available for your keyword. You can also select images, and a zoom effect will be applied to them. Don't go yet, as I'll show you how you can make more money with this if you upgrade to the standard plan, which costs $21 per month. You will be able to select from millions of premium videos and images that will accurately represent your keywords. There's a channel here called Animal Facts that is doing exactly that. They post a mix of short-form and long-form videos. Even if their long videos are getting less views, 1,000 views on them can be more profitable than 100,000 views on a short, and I'm sure the second is true as well. I have for you see what this channel with a lot of views on their shorts and subscribers should do now is to start creating long videos, because that's where the real money is. So they will earn much more money than the first channel. So what do you do now? You can still make long videos in one go by using the same steps as in this video. Using our video as an example, instead of the short 1-minute video, you can choose the medium, which is 5 minutes, or long, which is 10 minutes, depending on how long you want the video to be. Additionally, instead of the 3 crazy animal facts, you can ask it to write 13 animal facts, and you would want to include EM portions such as, lastly. I did it the last time because it will be helpful for lengthy videos. Depending on how quickly you want the scenes to change, you may or may not break the blocks into smaller chunks. However, you may need the Fliki standard plan to be able to select more high-quality video clips and better voiceovers, which will improve the appearance of your videos. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to AI Pay You. Drop your comment below and thank you for watching.